Imagine you got the control. The full control of your life and of the direction it is moving. The full control to provide your family with what they deserve. Not just any life, but the best life. The full control to finally do what you love to do and to abstain from what makes you tired and is stealing your energy. And to get the strength to finally break out of a system for which you were never made for. A life without limits, to create the personal freedom and best version of yourself. That is Saphir. It is our firm belief that every one of us was born to achieve something greater.
People start to understand that everything that we are doing is backed up with reality. So real people, real company, real products and services with huge benefits for the customers. And this, of course, is a great foundation to build something spectacular.
We are lining up together to establish a real, sustainable, and unprecedented business model in a fast-growing multi-billion-dollar market. The future has already begun. Blockchain, tokenization, and co. are already changing our lives. These topics are giving every single one who understands and is eager to act the possibility to reach financial autonomy, to live a self-determined and independent life. Are you ready to break the chains and live your life up to your expectations? There have always been possibilities in the past. Blockchain, tokenization, and co. usher a new era.
I am very pleased to be part of Saphir Global. The added value we bring through ZENIQ technology is in providing the right technology and expertise to devise an advanced infrastructure and regulatory system to accelerate the development and adoption of tokenization and digital asset economy.
It does not matter at which point in your life you currently are. The new one has already begun. Are you ready? Are you ready to take the decision that could change your life to the positive? The decision to take the first step into a life now, from which you do not need any recreation. The decisions to take the first step now to live a life that you will gladly remember.
For those people who would like to share these possibilities with others, who would like to recommend these great products and services to customers, Saphir have created a benefit plan where everyone who would like to build up a business out of that can do that step by step on a very simple and transparent procedure.
A rapidly growing number of people is deciding every day to become a part of the Saphir community, to reach to a point of personal and financial freedom at which they have never been before. How important are values such as reliability, mutual respect, appreciation, integrity, and consistency for you? To us, they are the basis for everything. A real possibility to find a new professional home and to unlock your real potential. A life without limits, to create your personal freedom and the best version of yourself. What a magnificent goal to achieve. Become a part of this spectacular journey and a global movement that can and will change the world. The future has already started. When will it start for you?
Okay, let's go.